Hello, David here, and the project for today is repairing a pressure washer that won't start. This is a Honda GCV 190, and before I go into too much detail, usually the problems with these small engines are clogged carburetor from bad gas, sitting too long, never getting clean. But before we do that, I need to check the air filter and the spark plug to see if it's getting spark. I did make sure the fuel was turned on. This is how you turn it off. That's off. That's on. Switch off, pointing up. Switch on, pointing down. So switch is on, fuel's on. Take a look at the air cleaner. Not too bad. Now we'll check the spark. Hats off to the gorilla that installed the spark plug. Let's try the breaker bar. Looks real carbony. Okay, I got the spark plug plugged into the spark plug cable. Let's give it the spark test. I'm going to turn the lights off. Make sure the plug is touching on the body of the motor to get a ground, then just pull the recoil. So we know it's getting spark, it's probably not getting gas. And for the fun of it, let's squirt some brake clean in the combustion chamber. There you go, it's definitely fuel related. And by the way, never run your pressure washer without the water connected, because the water lubricates the pump and you'll burn your pump out if you run it dry. Two 10mm holding this air cleaner body on. The spacer fell out. I don't know where that goes. Another spacer fell out. That one. Looks like the carburetor is detached now. There's a hose connected to the back of this housing that's holding it on. There we go. I got that disconnected. That's this hose right there. This was connected like that. Is there a gasket on the back? Yeah, this gasket is still connected there. I'm going to leave that in place. Disconnect this spring. Okay. 10mm here. Carburetor jet is down that hole. You really need a screwdriver that fits in the slots perfectly. Otherwise you're going to chew it up. Notice the long end goes in first. Okay, what's left is just to blow it out with the brake clean, and then blow it out with compressed air, and then I'll reassemble. That's not right. Here's the deal. There's a groove at the top of the needle, and that rides in this groove right in there. That's why I wasn't getting proper movement, so I'll just slide that in there. Drop that in like this. No, it's still not in. Okay, that's the way it should go. I don't see how that choke works. Well, I checked the video, and this is where the choke link was. It was in that forward hole, so that's the way I'm going to do it. Turn on the fuel, make sure the fuel's not leaking. Not sure about that choke. That choke just doesn't move. It's like a crappy design. I'm going to consider this video a success, with the one caveat that there's a problem with that choke and it may not be assembled properly, but I put it back the way I found it. I guess the owner could experiment with it. Anyway, I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO. Okay, here's some bonus footage about that choke. Obviously that spark plug was black with carbon, and I think this is running too rich. The choke doesn't open all the way. It looks like it's only opening 25%. If this was my machine, I'd probably take that choke off and just start it by blocking the carburetor with the air filter off until it warmed up. This needs an oil change as well. I'm going to tell the owner to change the oil and decide what he wants to do with the choke.